Hello everyone, welcome to Stars of Knowledge and the channel. I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine today. So guys, today's video is regarding the 25th September 2021 Ielts exam prediction. So guys, as you know, it's a prediction. Prediction means it's a guesswork. So let's start our today's video. We're gonna start with the listening first. In listening part 1, there could be fill in the blanks and part 1 could be easy. Part 2, there could be small multiple choice questions and part 2 could be easy again. For the part 3 of listening, there could be large multiple choice questions and that could be easy to moderate. For the final part 4 of listening, fill in the blanks up to one word with little bit fast audio and that could be easy to moderate. Your overall 25th September 2021 listening exam could be easy to moderate. So let's further talk about the reading module. As on this date, on 25th September 2021, you will have both academic and a journal training exam. So let's start with the academic reading first. In passage 1, there could be fill in the blanks and few true false not given. Passage 1 could be easy. In passage 2, there could be choose the correct option and list of headings. And passage 2 could be moderate. For the passage 3, there could be yes, no, not given and which paragraph contains the following information. And passage 3 could be moderate. Your overall academic reading for 25th September 2021 could be moderate. So now let's talk about the journal training exam reading module. Well, for the passage 1, fill in the blanks and which para contains the information. And passage 1 could be easy to moderate. For the passage 2, there could be true, false, not given and choose the correct option and also few fill in the blanks. And passage 2 could be moderate. For the passage 3, there could be yes, no, not given, summary completion and few multiple choice questions. Your passage 3 could be easy to moderate. Your overall journal training reading for the 25th September 2021 Ielts exam could be moderate. Now let's talk about the writing module. Guys, in the task 1 of academic exam bar map process diagram table, it could be a combination. There could be 2 bar graphs or there could be 2 tables. And for the journal training task 1, informal letter, like a letter to a friend, like an informal letter. And for the task 2, the topics could be media, people, education, environment, society, technology and government. It could be both views and opinion type of essay, like you have to talk about the both views, negative, positive, advantages, disadvantages. You either have to give your opinion or you have to just like outweigh the positives or outweigh the negative points from the given task. So this is the writing module for the 25th September 2021 Ielts exam. Further guys, there are few new cue card topics September to December 2021. This video is already available on the channel for you guys to watch. Just go through these questions, these topics, that you have some ideas if you do get this kind of a speaking topic in your exam and you have some ideas to talk about it. And lastly, I would like to tell you that the prediction for the September month cue card topics video is also available on the channel for you guys to watch. And also the writing task 2 topics till September is also available on the channel for you guys to watch. So just go through those topics and see if you have any ideas to talk about it. And this is all. So that's the prediction for 25th September 2021. I hope you like this video. If you do, please click on the like button. And also please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Randar. Best of luck for your examination, students. Thank you so much. Take care and bye-bye.